wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, Obi talanti mili. Omeginka ibe. Okogeba itie. Auntie charema. Izubike Auntie webiwe. Ine bakwa. Obi adi amma. Ifine monyaza. Emegi oga degema. Ifine monyaza. Emegi oga degema. Auntie, where wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, Obi talanti mili. Auntie, where wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka. Kosieme go charema.
Chekwube!
Auntie.
Have you filled the jerry cans with water?
Yes, Auntie.
What about the dirty clothes I gave you to wash?
No, but I'll wash them immediately after I finish sweeping.
Yeah, hurry up and finish. Huh? Come and get my food ready. I'm hungry.
Auntie, where wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, Obi talanti mili.
Chekwube, where is the food now?
I'm coming. I'm almost done.
I don't want to meet you there.
I'm coming.
Hey, so you will give me food without water in this house?
Auntie, the water is on top of the table.
Oh, so I should use my hand and come and carry it up, yeah? Okay. Continue. Hey! Yeah? What is that thing you want to do? What is that? What are you about to do?
I want to eat.
You want to eat? You want to eat? You are even answering me. Borrow spoon also. Get that spoon. Eat by what time of the day? Kanji Kanegi. What is the time?
I don't know, but maybe it's 11 a.m.
After 11, you want to eat without finishing with the clothes I gave to you to wash.
I'll wash them after eating.
You will wash it after you finish eating. That was what you told me when I came to meet you outside when you were sweeping. After, we'll do this one after. After, we'll do this one. So, after. I should wait for you after sleeping now. You go and wash the clothes up here. Get up and go and wash those clothes before I descend on you. Yeah, before I open my eyes, is she still there?
Auntie, please, let me eat. I've been working since morning and I'm very hungry. Let me just eat so that I can have strength to continue.
Nah, it is now question and answer. Call and answer. Apo, aza. Guam, guam, guam now. It's not guam, guam, guamism. Is it? Is it? Before I do to you what you will not like, go and wash those clothes. This food will not grow legs and live here. It will wait for you. Did you hear me? Get out! Shut up, boy, son. I don't blame you. It's the hand that my husband has given to you now. He has given you hand. Next thing, that hand will enter waist. From waist it will enter God knows where. It be little money. I'm no man. Hey! If you call rice and walk, what you name with Philly? As on your now, cement. In a booty pass cement. Hey! I'm not going to rice na galaziano. I didn't even see the meat. You gave yourself. Hang on for long. Hang on. Uwakwe ba. Anoma. What is this? What are you doing? Eh? Are you sleeping?
No, Auntie.
What are you doing? Would you hurry up and wash these clothes? There are other things to be done in the house. Open your legs. Open your legs and wash those clothes. Can you hear me? Do you think you came here to work? You know plantain. I don't know what you're trying. Don't try me or else you will see another side of me. I'm a Panama.
Hey, all these things for me? Yes. Hey, Nna, thank you very much. Okay. My God will bless you. Hey, hey, Nna, how is your wife and Chekwube, my daughter?
Oh, my wife is fine. And Chekwube, your daughter, is doing good.
Thank God, thank God. Thank God.
Hey. I came to say thank you for allowing your daughter to stay with me. She's so industrious. She's just a wonderful girl. I thank you very much. I should be the one thanking you.
She's supposed to be very industrious. I am the one that trained her. Oh, make a near carbono. Hey, thank you.
Okay, Mama, I have to start going because I have to rush to somewhere else.
You are going on. I have Agbo and Ofora, very delicious. Copy. And Agbo maka weti.
When the side come, I will take it.
Hey. Again, when next again. Okay, now if you say so.
The same
okay, now I will do that. Okay.
Okay, let me start going.
Then, oh my.
Hey. Just take care of yourself.
Oh, Nadalu. I must give you a back here, don't you? Hey. I'll get it. Oh, yeah, do baby. Get the number. Hey. Can't see now, oh, wow. Hey. Oh, wow. I can't see a woman. I play to us for no matter. Hey.
I've seen your laughter. She shows that you are nice, very nice.
Really? Hey, thank God. Thank you. Thank God. Thank God.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you remember what I told you.
Yes, I remember.
Rest. You need it so much.
Thank you. I remember. Thank you very much.
It's okay. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One more thing. Don't forget your checkup. So there'll be no mistakes.
I will not.
Right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Alright. Please, my regards to your husband.
You will hear. Thank you.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Honey, now that you're pregnant again, I want you to be very careful. You know what the doctor said, yeah? So please, be very, very careful. Whatever it is that is work in this house, to place there for you. Read for me.
I will not do anything now. I will do as the doctor has said. Eh? The only problem is that you tell Chekwube. I know she knows how to walk and do a lot of things. Tell her to give me my food when it is time for me to eat, not late. You know I don't like to eat late.
It's okay, I'll talk to her. It's okay, I'll talk to her. Okay? Instead of you not to do what the doctor said, I want you to sleep from morning till night. Just like Robola.
Yeah, Edin, I should be sleeping.
See, whatever you want, if you're hungry, just tell Chekwube to cook for you. Or Bali kitchen.
No, cook. Chekwube will cook. You know that.
So you listen, you lick your lips and your fingers and you're telling me that it's okay, just remember what I said, what the doctor said, okay? Just be very careful. You didn't want to say woman is very important, okay? Then what's in there? Just drink up.
Oh.
I don't want to play with it. But careful. Woman is very important. Yeah? It's okay.
But this is for more time.
Hi, honey. You're here. Let me freshen up.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yeah, let it not be what I'm thinking. So, my husband will close from work instead of him to come home to his wife. He will wait to go and pick her from school. Yeah, the girl will be waiting after school instead of her to trek and be coming home to come and clean house. My husband will wait, tell her to wait. Okay.
So, honey, what are you preparing?
I'm picking melon seeds. I didn't ask you to help me.
Why are you squeezing face?
I didn't ask you to help me.
But I know. What is the problem? Kevin and Maggie.
Ask you, did I tell you that there's something wrong with you?
Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, para wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo puno ka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Auntie, para wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo puno ka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Omeginka ibe. Okogeba itie. Auntie charema. Izubike auntie webiwe. Ine bakwa. Obi adiyama. Ifine monyaza. Emegi ogadegema. Ifine monyaza. Emegi ogadegema.
Honey, please get me my key. It's on top of the drawer beside the bed. Have you found the key?
Well, I've not found it though. When did you say you even kept this key safe? Eh?
I left this key here.
Everywhere. You know, Asachi go me benino. Don't worry about the egg.
It's under the pillow.
Everywhere. Asachi go me.
So I normally keep this key inside the
See, why don't you tell Chekwube to use leg and be going now, so that she does not miss classes, Let her be going. Later she will come back. He can't more down chotter this key. You know when you are looking for something, hurry, you won't find it, You. Madam, on a front seat. I'm still searching for it, oh.
Chekwube, I cannot find the key. So take this money for your transport. Rush so you won't be late for school. Okay? We'll go to late. Go late for school. Bye. Okay, bye. Take care.
Honey, this is not the key you're looking for. This is the key now.
Where did you find it?
Under the bed. No, Uwakwe.
Under the bed?
I don't know how.
And who kept it there?
How would I know? Are you sure you are not the one that kicked it by mistake under the bed? I just said, let me just, raise the bed.
Okay.
I just saw it there. Hey, hurry up and go so you don't miss your appointment, so. Bye, yo. Go take Ibu afia.
Auntie, obi talantimili. Auntie, auntie, where I wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelo kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, where I wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelo kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema.
Chekwube, what is wrong with you? I don't like your look. You look so dull and worried.
Yes, even yesterday, I noticed the same thing. Chekwube, please talk to us. We are your friends.
Listen, you girls don't understand. I'm tired of staying in my uncle's house. The man is so nice to me. He's a good man. But the wife? She's wicked. She just hates me for no reason. Anytime my uncle travels, things get worse. I work from morning till night. At times, I don't even eat, or rather, I eat just once a day. It's unbearable.
Then, what are you still doing there? Why don't you go back to your parents instead of that woman using you as a slave?
My education. I just want to finish my education. Besides, if I go back, my mother cannot afford to pay my school fees. So, let me just finish my education and I'll know I achieved something from them.
Rose, Chekwube is right. She has a point.
That is nonsense. What if that woman kills her before she could finish her education?
Rose, it has not gotten to that extent now.
Okay, but do not say I didn't warn you. Chekwube, you better go back to your parents to save your dear life. Said my own.
Please, I'm leaving. You know I have a long way to trek.
Trek? Won't you enter a bike or bus?
You know my uncle is not around. And his wife has refused to give me transport fare. Don't worry, I'm fine.
You see what I meant? Do you know how far she would trek before she could get home? Nonsense. Please, let's go to the bus stop, Jerry.
Hurry up and pound now. Not even plucked the vegetables. Though, give me that crayfish, Dioporo, not that type. Buy this Oporo. Only paste and chap. It's only the head that is here. No fish. Hurry up on the pounding. The pounding like your strength now. Give me the other crayfish. This one doesn't have paste. I understand the kind of market you want to provide it. So when you went to buy this, you didn't see orange crayfish? This is sand. Ew. Swony for is a pound now. Is it not so pepper? Most onion dry fish smoking. Give it to me and now was set up. Hey! Are we looking for living in agency? Oh yeah, pack those things all stuff. Now doc of one agency. Dorat. what you want has taste. Eh? No.
I'm tired. Maybe start tracking home.
Again today. Wait, let's enter bus together now.
Just say you want to insult me. You know I don't have transport fare.
Wait, Rose, please help her out. I know you have extra money with you. Remember, she's our friend, and we know what she's passing through.
Yeah. Oh, the one Marabikon. I don't have money. Even if I do, I will not give. Didn't I want her to go back to her parents? Rather, she prefers staying there. Since she prefers suffering, let her carry her cross then. What is my own there? Yeah. Oh.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
I hope you like those clothes I bought for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you tested them?
Papa, there's one there. That one is short. It's here. If I wear that clothes, I'll be using it to do yanga.
Did I got any short clothes for you?
Yes, nah. One black and white.
Okay, show me how the younger you look like. Show me.
Do yanga like this.
Chekwube, you're very funny. You're very, very funny. I did not bought those clothes for you for younger. I bought those clothes for you for special occasions, like going to church, or if we want to go out, we use it. Okay?
Thank you, Uncle.
Show me once more. Show me
I like this.
the movement again. Chekwube, Imam Budim. It's okay. You can go, eh? You can go, eh?
Good night.
Good night. Good night, my dear.
What is the meaning of that thing you just did? What is the meaning?
What did I do?
You're asking me what you did. The clothes you bought for Chekwube, do you know how much those clothes cost?
That's your problem. Yeah? The clothes I bought for Chekwube. Of course I bought them, so I know how much they cost. And let me ask you a question. The amount of work that girl is doing in this house, do you know how much you're supposed to be paying her? Or do you pay her anything?
When then, don't you pay her school fees? Do you not buy books for her? Don't you feed her? Do you not house her? What else does she want? Is it not enough? Is it until you buy a car for her that you will know that you are doing something? Or you will show that you are appreciative of the work she does in the house? Look, let me tell you. I'm looking at you people's workout. I'm looking at it. Look at it. Look at it. If you want to bring her in as a second wife, tell me. Or you want her to replace me, just tell me. So that I stop making a fool of myself. You look here.
Do you know that sometimes I begin to think that something is wrong with you? Is it because I bought few clothes for Chekwube, that's why you're ranting? Is it because I bought few clothes for Chekwube, that's why you're ranting, making noise, shouting?
Me making noise, shouting, ranting up here? Does she not have clothes? Did she come into this house naked? Canopy wear better. Canopy corner.
Let me tell you something. Whatever a father will do for her daughter, I will do it for that girl Chekwube, because she's somebody's daughter. So you better put that in your head.
Instead of you to pray to God to give your own child, your hair ranting, making noise, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Oh.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Instead of me praying to God, Abi, it's now only me. It's now my problem. I'm the one that's the problem now, Abi. No problem. No problem, oh, I will pray. This is your waka with Chekwube. I'm looking at it very well, oh. I heard you people laughing jackassly in the living room. Laughing jackassly. When was the last time you laughed with me?
Oh, that was the problem. You want me to laugh for you? Okay. Now, let me laugh for you.
Please, you must stop. Please,
Hey, Opa, it's a dream.
Hey, what is it?
Hey, Chekwube was chasing me with a knife to kill me in the dream. Hey.
Sorry, you said who was possible?
Chekwube wanted to kill me. Dikeh wants to kill me. She wants to kill me. Chekwube wants to kill me, oh. Hey.
See. It's just a dream. Okay? Chekwube is not that kind of person. It's because you've already seen her as a bad person. That's why you're dreaming of her trying to hurt you. Yes, she's not a bad person.
You're telling me that I don't know what I'm saying. That I'm lying. No. That girl is evil.
It's just a dream. Just lie down and sleep.
Can't stay alone. Hold me. Sleep now. I'm okay. Sleep. Chekwube! Where are the clothes my husband bought for you?
in my room.
In your room. I'm bringing them. Only you. Oh, my trousers. It's okay. No problem. You know why I'm holding it for you? So that I will give it to you when you need to wear it out. Oh? I don't want you to misuse them or just waste them. You know they are very expensive. Plus gown. Okay. Don't worry. There's no problem. Let me keep them for you. Oh? And I want to go and buy the things I need to cook my soup with from the market.
Uncle said I shouldn't let you go to the market or do any other thing. Else he will kill me. Please, just stay. Oh.
As a policeman now, my security. Susu out of my bosses. So my dear,
Wow.
you see this clothes, eh?
Yeah.
My husband bought it from his friend that went to Onitsha to buy clothes.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you,
Wow.
they're so beautiful, eh?
They are. Wow.
So I brought them to her because I know your daughter needs clothes. So since I don't have
I like
anyone,
that one.
It's
so beautiful.
I have taste. I know the kind of things you like.
I know. Thank you so much. They're
Thank
fine.
you.
So how much is it?
If you can give me something like 14,000.
14,000. No, that is too much.
You know what I do now? I don't have handwork.
I know.
I don't sell clothes.
I know.
These things I bought for 16,000. I'm giving you for 14. You're still complaining.
So you bought them 16 and you want to sell them to me as a friend for 14. It's alright. I love them. I really love them. I like them. Maybe I should just pack them.
Just pack everything. Go waste time.
I love them. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Auntie, bara wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo puno ka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Auntie, bara wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo puno ka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Omeginka ibe. Okogeba itie. Auntie charema. Izubike auntie webiwe. Ine bakwa. Obi adi amma. Ifine monyaza. Emegi ogadigema. Ifine monyaza. Emegi ogadigema. Auntie, bara wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo.
Uncle, welcome.
Chekwube, how are you? Come and take these things inside. Take them inside and call your auntie for me.
Uncle, Auntie's not around.
Where did she go to?
She went to the market.
The market? And you allowed her to go to the market?
No, Uncle.
On that condition?
I tried stopping her, but she refused.
What is this? I wouldn't have allowed her.
I'm sorry.
Wait, my phone is... Yes, hello? Yes, this is Paulo Dikeh. What? My wife? Wait. Which hospital? Which hospital? Eh?
Uncle, what is it? Uncle? Auntie's at the hospital. Hey.
understand the kind of human being you people are. I can't just understand it. Just simple instruction you people cannot keep. I told you your wife should stay away from stress. I told you. What was she doing under the sun that made her temperature to go high? What was she doing?
I don't know. I don't know. I want her. And I got her a housemaid. So I'm confused. I don't know. Anyway, how is she now?
Your wife lost the baby. She had another miscarriage. And that is what you get when you don't listen to simple instruction. Just simple instruction, stay away from stress. And I can see you people are enjoying what you're passing through. You're enjoying it. Because if you're not enjoying it, you keep to this simple instruction. And what is that instruction? Keep away from stress.
Linda, let me ask you a question. What is your mission in this house? What is your mission? Are you here to ruin me or to save me? Or to kill me? What is your mission? Tell me. You know what we're passing through in this house. Meanwhile, you cannot obey to the simple instruction given by the doctor. What is your problem?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Hey, shut up, don't sorry me. Chekwube said you went to the market to buy the things for the soup. Where are the things you bought? Where are the things you bought? According to you, the incident happened on your way back home. So where are the things you bought?
Maybe those people that took me to the hospital took those things.
Right? Shut up, my friend. Nobody took anything from you. Why didn't you allow Chekwube to go to the market? Why didn't you allow her to buy whatever you want to buy? You went to buy in the market. She said she wants to go to the market, but you refuse her going to the market.
So it's Chekwube you are now listening to in this house. You will not listen to your wife, what she's saying, what I've been through. Is Chekwube you will listen to.
Friend,
it's Chekwube that is gossiping with me.
Just shut up. I know what to do.
Hey. So it's me Chekwube is using to gossip to my husband. She will see. Can you put a mother to have laughing on a choking bob, and aquas them with his snort?
Please, my own lord, please, I beg, call your daughter and talk to her. Because if she allow this thing to happen again, I'll be forced to take another wife.
Nah, my in-law, please. Butu. Oh, nah, Butu. It has not gotten to that. We will call her and talk to her.
It has gotten to that extent. Yes, because this is 14 years of marriage. But I am still, I've not hung Butu yet. I'm still talking about kicking the ball.
Ogo, Biko, calm down. Calm down. There is something I want to find out. You said you got a house help for her who will do all the household chores and then help in the house. Yet my daughter went against the doctor's warning.
That is what I'm talking about. Exactly what I am saying.
Biko, like I said, please calm down. We will send for her and then find out what her problems are. Biko, we will.
I'll be on my way now. Thank you.
Okay.
You went and you were gossiping with my knee. You are gossiping with my knee. In the house, you open this your mouth. This one. So you had the guts to tell my husband as I went out that you told me to stay in the house. Oh, I'm now your mate now. I did not say anything like that. You didn't say that. You've eaten the baby in my womb now. I'm on such a... You're still here. No.
My daughter, your husband was here yesterday and he complained bitterly.
Yeah, Linda, what is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Simple instruction you cannot take. Your husband was here and he complained bitterly. He even threatened that he's going to take a second wife if you don't change.
You see? So I can never talk on this again. I will never.
Now listen to me. If he decides to take a second wife, I will support him. He has tried. Oh yes, he has tried. He's not getting younger.
Yeah, he's gang up now.
When a gangs go up.
Papa, you and you want to gang up and bring another wife into my husband's house?
No, Linda, they are, look. You are just listening to simple instructions. Nobody is ganging up against you. Linda,
good wife to your husband.
Look at your daughter.
You're a good wife.
Look at your daughter. What do you mind?
Anything the man likes, let him do. Enough is enough.
I'm confused. I am very confused. I don't know what is going on again. I have done everything the doctor instructed me to do. He said I should rest. I'm tired of resting. I've done everything. I have had more than enough rest. Where is this one coming from again? I'm tired. I'm really tired. I don't know what else to do. I'm confused. I'm too confused.
Honestly, I don't know what to do. I am confused too. I think this is spiritual.
Spiritual?
And we have to do something and fast.
How? Okay, something like what, one?
I don't know.
I'm seriously tired. I'm tired.
I told you, you thought I was lying. Now you have heard it from the native doctor that Chekwube is the problem I have in that house.
No, I don't believe that native doctor. I don't. How can he say that Chekwube is the cause of all this problem we've been having all these years? Chekwube that I used to stay with.
Hey!
It's not possible. How can you say that? I don't believe that.
I'm looking at you.
Bia? Yes.
Are you sure you're not the problem? I am telling you that somebody is the cause of my problems in that house. You are defending the person.
Chekwube, that is not. I'm sorry, honey.
Hey, you are calling me Chekwube?
No,
you see? You see it now?
It's a slip of tongue.
Slip of tongue.
You should know that.
Okay. I've now turned to Chekwube.
It's a slip of tongue. Mind you, it's a slip of tongue.
Okay.
The native doctor said we should do some sacrifice. Let's do it first. You understand?
We will do sacrifices. We will do all of them.
Let's do it first. Let's do it first.
We are not going to leave anyone. I've told you, let us go. We'll do all the sacrifice from head to toe.
Auntie, where are wicked? Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Auntie, where are wicked? Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema.
Honey, why are you looking at Chekwube like that?
seen what I'm seeing in this game? Look well.
What are you seeing?
Each time I look at this game, I'll be seeing winch.
What are you trying to insinuate?
It's true. Be true.
Don't start. You've done what the native doctor said we should do. So let's sit and watch and see. After all, I don't believe in what he said about this innocent girl. Don't believe it. I did that sacrifice just to make you believe I'm not your problem.
Pete, you may don't listen when someone is telling you something until that thing backfires now. You now say they told you. I'm telling you something now you're talking about it. Just doing. When this girl is a white witch. Look at that very well.
And when did you become a prophetess? You would have seen that before the native doctor. When I froze up, they have found me before a native doctor.
Okay.
Auntie, mara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Uwelu kosieme. Ugo buno kunoka. Kosieme gyo charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, mara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Uwelu kosieme.
Chekwube! That stupid girl will not answer. The stupid girl will not open her mouth to answer. Chekwube!
Please, I don't like this. Ma? You'll be calling your fellow human beings stupid.
Is it now that I called you? Did I just call you now, or you didn't hear my voice before now?
I was washing those plates.
You wash it,
It's okay. Bring the seat and sit down. I want to ask you something. Honey, I was the one that asked her to sit down.
And I was the one that took the seat. Let her stand up.
It's okay. Chekwube, ever before I met you and your mother coming back from farm that day, do you know me and my wife, or have you seen us before, or have you seen us somewhere discuss anything with us, or somehow, somewhere, anyhow? Have you seen us somehow?
No, Uncle. I only met you the day you offered her and my mother a lift. And until I came to this house, I've never seen her before.
Hey! Asyo.
Are you
Lie.
Are you sure?
That is how they start.
Lies!
All these things you say, all of them are lies. You are a liar.
It's you are lying. If you are not lying, or if you are telling the truth, how come you are the sole problem I have in this house? You are killing me, eating all my children. Are you not a witch?
Me? A witch? Auntie, you called me a witch.
Hey! Oh, so it is now call and answer. Is that it? Question and answer. You are asking me. What are you? Are you not a witch? Are you not a white witch?
Stop it.
The first thing these people do is to deny their witches. All these witches.
Stop it and stop calling her a witch. Why are you calling her a witch?
She's a witch, oh! She's the cause of my problems in this house. She's chopping my children.
Please stop it. I don't like it. Yeah? Chekwube, it's okay. Please stop crying. Oh, stop crying. Just go inside. Stop crying.
I don't like what you are using. I don't like it. You choose your own struggle. What is that? I'm going to check the room. No, I say Chekwube can sit down. You check your check on the nana.
Stop it. I don't like it. Stop it.
Okay, but
please.
Bring again.
Stop it.
Maka Chekwube ki je huma aka n'ọnụ. Bring a cane.
Linda, you are very, very funny. Very funny. I mean, how can you accuse a girl who barely got into your house for being responsible of the problems that you have been going through, even long before she came? First you said she had something to do with your husband, and then you said she's responsible for your miscarriages and the death of your babies. Why? Why do you hate this girl? Just because the native doctor said so? Is that it?
I don't understand you again. I'm telling you something that is disturbing your friend, me. You are there telling me that I'm not serious.
Oh my God, that's not what I'm saying. I'm only saying you're not making any sense at all. You're not. Yes.
Problem is my own.
I didn't say that.
Problem is my own. It's my fault for coming to come and tell you what is disturbing me.
No, Linda.
Problem is my own, okay?
I didn't say
Leave
that.
it. Thank you.
Linda, no.
Bye-bye.
Don't do
I'm
that.
going. It's
Well,
okay.
it's
Thank
alright.
you.
But the next time you want to come here, make sure it's something very reasonable. Not something like this.
That same kind of dream. This time she was chasing me with machete. Moge. She wants to kill me. Hey, please let's do something before this girl kills me in this house.
I've told you to stop thinking of Chekwube. The earlier you stop thinking of this girl, better for you. The earlier you stop thinking of this girl, better for you.
Wow. I can't do. I won't sit here and wait for her to kill me before you start to do something. Wow. Hey.
Okay. It's just a bad dream. Okay? Let's go back to sleep.
I don't want to sleep. Thank you. I'll stay here like this.
You want to sleep again?
So you want to sleep like that? I'm telling you somebody wants to kill me, you want to sleep. It's sleep that is hungering you. Okay.
It's okay. It's just a bad dream.
Don't touch my son.
What is your problem? Eh? I've told you to stop thinking about this girl.
Nah, Laro, I am Gija, Laro. Sleep your own.
You will like me, okay? What's your problem?
That's how you keep quiet. Someone now come and kill me in this house and take my place. If this guy kills me in this house, I will kill you. Where are you going?
Auntie, I'm hungry. I want to take soup.
Witch! So because you couldn't kill me in my dreams, you now want to come and poison me? See, let today be the first and last time I see you near my pot or anywhere around my kitchen. I'm Muswacha, killer. That's how. Okay. Yeah, can everyone? Where are you?
Auntie, bara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Uwelu kosieme. Ogobu no kunoka. Kosieme gyo charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, bara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Uwelu kosieme. Ogobu no kunoka.
Chekwube, why are you crying? What is it?
Uncle, welcome.
Thank you. Why are you crying?
Uncle, I'm tired of staying here. Please take me back to my mother.
Why?
Auntie called me a witch. She said I should not eat her food again in the house. Uncle, please, just take me back, I beg you.
Auntie called you a witch. He said all that to you? It's okay, my dear. It's okay, huh? I want you to stop crying. You are not a witch. I said you are not a witch. Or are you a witch?
No.
It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Stop crying. Now, where is your auntie?
She's inside.
Okay, let me see her. You come inside with your bag. Come in with your bag.
Come here, come here. What did I tell you? I sent you to buy pepper 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes. Came with 10 minutes. You are just coming back. Hey! So, what you want to do is to sample all the men in this village. You sample Chava, Ibutelema Fime. You now come back with pregnancy. For who? Mwa. In this house. Auntie,
you know that's not true. When you sent me to get pepper, they did not have pepper. So I had to go to the village square to get it.
Liar. Listen to yourself. Can you even hear yourself? I sent you to buy pepper. Yeah, Mama Nkechi wears yours. Mama Nkechi that sells pepper does not have pepper again. I sent you to buy pepper from Mama Nkechi. She didn't have pepper. You now went to the village square. Yeah, Balomoto J Lagos. See, lying from your ear and your nose, you're everywhere. Jenny. Give me that. Yeah. Give me that one. Be looking at the sun. Let the sun be looking at you. Did I touch you? Hey! Did I touch you? Did I touch you? I said lie down. 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 After sampling for them, you will sample for me today. Open your eyes. Watch it again. I said open your eyes. That's how you do your meeting in the night, up here. Open your eyes. Utuacha. Amoswacha. Ekwensu. Winch. Winch kewu. Winch. It's not actually an Iyanonaka way, maybe.
Auntie, please help me. Help me, I'm dying. Please, Auntie.
Oh. You can only be Chekwube. You don't want to die. You will die, yo. You will die. That witch inside you will die. Have you not heard where they said in the Bible, suffer not the witch to live? Is that not what I'm doing? Is that not what I'm doing?
Auntie, please help me.
Chedanya nenu.
Please, I'm dying.
If
I'm
you
dying.
Eyes in the sky, let the sun be looking at you and you looking at the sun. Also, so that witch inside of it, is going to come out of this your body. This your body. Oh, you see, everywhere you see, did I touch you? Did I touch you?
Auntie, help me, please.
I said, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Shut up. Shut up, also. Hey, I don't want to hear that. I didn't touch you. Ha. Oh.
Please help me.
Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Pursue them.
Auntie.
Please
help me. Please, I'm dying. Please help me.
Die! Every witch in form of a human being in a church, ye black, die by fire. Die! No swatch. See, let it not be that I'm wicked, though. So that they will not say that Linda, I'm wicked. No, poor job. Get up from there and go and wash plates. Now, go to the backyard and go and wash those plates. Say Akunye. Okaneba. One, two, at the count of 10, 3. No.
Auntie, I cannot see.
I'm going here. 4.
I cannot see anything.
5.
I cannot see. Auntie, I cannot see again.
Okay, okay. What's not going?
Auntie, honestly, I cannot see. Auntie, I cannot see. I'm blind.
You cannot go.
Auntie, honestly, I cannot see.
You're not showing you now.
I cannot see anything, Auntie.
Get up there. 1, 2.
Help! I'm blind. Auntie, I'm blind. Auntie, I'm blind. Auntie, I cannot see anything. Oh God, I'm finished. What will happen to my poor mother? Please, God, don't do this to me. Auntie, help me again. Please, Auntie, help me. I'm blind.
You mean you cannot see anything?
I cannot see. I cannot.
Hey!
I cannot see, Auntie. Please help me. Help me, Auntie.
Linda Kiyago.
Auntie, please help me. I cannot see anything. Auntie, help me. Auntie, where are you? Auntie! Oh, my eyes. I'm blind. Auntie, help me. I'm blind.
Can you hear it? And I know there. You even the river. Touch it. You know what this thing is? Can you feel it?
A knife.
Sharp girl. If you open your mouth, if my husband go, when he comes back and you open your mouth to tell him what happened today, I will kill you. I will stab you. I will kill you the way people kill cockerel, chicken for Christmas. Christmas chicken, I will cut your neck. Yes. You know you are not seeing anything now. Can you see anything? You can't see anything. You won't know when I'll be standing around you. So if you open your mouth to say anything, I'll kill you. What will you do? You will
shut your mouth. A man tapo, a man bobo. And you help you put Hannah otherwise. So get it there. Your T-score. Can you hear it? Zam, zam. Inania, zam, zam, zam.
How I wish you were here to see this unfairness that had been melted upon me.
Calm down. Calm down. Little way.
What is it?
Hey! The sacrifice has started working. It has started working. Hey!
What happened?
That sacrifice has started working.
What happened? What is it?
Your Chekwube is a witch. She is blind. Bugis. Hey! So you now know that she has been the cause of our problems in this house.
Where is she? Where is she?
Where is she? Where is she?
Where is she?
Where else will she be if not backyard? Witch!
Chekwube, what is wrong with you? Uncle. What is the problem? It's what? What's wrong with you? Talk to me. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
You don't know what is wrong with you? Meaning that you just got blind just like that? Eh?
Hey!
Chekwube, can you see me? You can't see me. Hey! Hey! What is this? Oh, what will I tell her mother?
How do you mean? How do you mean? You will tell her that her daughter is blind because she's a witch.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You! Shut up! Hey, Chekwube.
No, shut up, Papa. Okay.
You can't see me. Eh? Hey!
Now what? I don't know. I'm going to open my mouth and say I would have killed you this evening. You swine. Hey! You forgot your copy,
Chekwube, why are you sweeping the compound?
Auntie told me to sweep it.
Auntie asked you to sweep the compound? Linda!
Why must you ask her to sweep the compound?
What is wrong with her sweeping the compound?
Everything is wrong with her sweeping the compound. Can't you see she's sick? Can't you see she's blind? So how do you expect her to see what she's doing?
Is it not the compound that she sweeps every day? She should know her way around now, sweep the compound. Not disciplined does not mean she cannot sense something or hear something.
Don't you ever try it again. Do it yourself.
Me?
Do it yourself.
I should sweep the compound myself. So, what is Chekwube here for now? Or decoration Kobo? What is she here for? Is she not here to work? See, let me tell you, if you are tired of all these things, just bundle her, take her back to her mother. Simple. Okay, I see.
Mama mo abogini kameregio Nemo abogini kameregio Ijiwe musiamu wetinye mnimohia Aneku ime misile Ewo akwali lebuemu onye kam ga-akọrọ alili egwu